What's up guys, so the successors of Realme X50 are coming up and we are hearing a lot of news regarding its specs and rumored features as well as its release date, and it's going to be Realme X50 Pro and Realme X50 Pro 5G variants. As name suggests, it is going to be the obviously 5G variant, so welcome to another 5G flagship, and I think this is the first ever series of Realme to have 5G data support, so that's good thing. Basically, Realme will be launching two Pro variants, one will be with 5G support and one without 5G network, and official launch date of these models in India is 24th February. Realme has confirmed it yesterday on Twitter that event will be happening at 2:30 PM on 24th February. Ishan Agarwal also on Twitter said this, and he also mentioned some official posters of phone which are showing some significant features. And first of all, let's have a look at this poster. First thing that is clear from this image is Snapdragon 865. So that's insane. We are getting Snapdragon 865 and with even 5G support, and if this phone will be priced a bit lower than all other brands with these same specs in those smartphones, then this matters that we are getting best flagship smartphone in affordable price like Budget King. So with Snapdragon 865 we will be getting a really best performance in X50 Pro and X50 Pro 5G. Then here is another best thing, this 65 watts of fast charging. Yes guys, this is just insane. Ultra fast charging is also going to be one of the best feature of this smartphone, and it is claimed on internet that 65 watts charging can charge the smartphone to full 100% in just 58 minutes. It's really cool, and not sure that if we will be getting a charging adapter into the box or not. As mentioned in poster, this super dart charging, so this shows higher probability of having adapter into the box. And then 90Hz fluid screen is also coming in X50 Pro and X50 Pro 5G, so smoothness is now also confirmed. And now with this 90Hz of refresh state display, we can assume that battery would be also bigger, around 4500, 4700 or maybe 5000 milliamps, because these displays consume more battery than simple 60Hz displays. So let's hope for bigger battery. And here is the last thing, the camera setup. Now camera specs are not actually released or rumored, but amount of camera sensor is clear. As you can see, this is coming up with total of 6 cameras, 4 at rear side and 2 at front side. Now at the back side we don't have any kind of periscope lens, but poster confirms that there will be 20x zoom. I don't think that Realme is going to implement periscope in this smartphone, but this 20x zoom is actually kinda impossible without that lens, but it can also be done with the help of software. So let's wait for some more rumors. If I get more leaks regarding it, I will let you know. For that, please subscribe to the channel. And talking about the sensor, then I think there would be 64 megapixel primary lens, and there is also higher chances for 108 megapixel sensor and a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, an 8 megapixel zoom lens, and the fourth one could be the macro lens, or also it could be 5 megapixel depth sensor for better portraits blur. Well, talking about its front camera setup, then we are going to see pill-shaped camera modules, same as of Galaxy S10 Plus, but it will be on top left side, and these can be assumed as 32 megapixel with 5 or maybe 8 megapixel depth sensor. And if you guys noticed that most of its features are same as Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro from Xiaomi that were launched in last week. Like we have that same 90Hz display, that same Snapdragon 865 system on chipset. Also charging speed is same, like 65 watts, but it makes a bit difference, not a bit but really a large difference, a huge difference to that periscope lens. Well, we are not sure, maybe Realme X50 Pro and Pro 5G variants are going to have it also. And next to that, two dates are mentioned, 18th and 19th February, and these could be the official unveiling dates because phone will be officially launching on 24th February according to Ishan Agarwal, and also Realme tweeted this date on their Twitter account, official Twitter account. Let's wait for some more leaks and news. And if you love my work, then guys, please do support me by subscribing and sharing, and also like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.